turning to the left, you'll do that. You've got the mode, has an automatic stop on it. So when you hit the brakes, there's a sensor in there. Watch this, everybody. Y'all see that? So I'm not doing anything. So let's say we're riding our bike, we hit the brakes, our head comes to a stop, bam, automatic brake light. Is that not the coolest thing ever? In this video, I'm gonna go over this bike helmet that has actual turn signals built into it. So there's a couple of little features they give you with it. You got a visor, like a sun visor that goes on right here like this. It just pops into place. I took that off, but this is a magnetic type screen that just pops on the front. They use the little neodymium magnets right there. Check that out. Look at that. Is that not neat? Look how that just pops on there like that. The back is where the charging is done, right here. There's a USB-C port right there and a on and off button right there. Big, huge light right here, and I'll get into that, and a big, huge light right there. The inside is a basic type foam. Got this little kind of twist lock that twists down on the head. It's very comfortable to wear. I don't see any issues with that. See, inside the bag, you get a little carrying bag right here with it. So a few things you're gonna get in there. You get a USB-C cable. See, it's in there because I already charged it. You get this little thing right here. And then here's the instruction manual. Not much to the instruction manual. So you're gonna take this right here. Let me move you over here to the handlebars and put it on the handlebars like this. It comes with this little rubber attachment right here. Goes on just like that. So you guys see that? And the reason you have that, let me show you how this is. So to turn the helmet on, you're gonna hold down the button right here. Helmet is on. You can see the LEDs in the front, LEDs in the back. Now watch this. You can go left. Is that not cool? You guys see that? Right. You've got the mode. Now the mode, see how there's a breathing pattern? I think there's one that's like just front only. Now this has an automatic stop on it. So when you hit the brakes, there's a sensor in there. Watch this, everybody. Y'all see that? So I'm not doing anything. So let's say we're riding our bike, we hit the brakes, our head comes to a stop, bam, automatic brake light. Is that not the coolest thing ever? So then turn that off. So there's a way to, you can just leave it on all the time. So now it's like a tail light at night, but it's like, won't work like that. But if I turn it back off, you can turn it on and off. The tail light can turn on and off, and now it's just a brake light. That feature is by far the coolest feature on this by far. So it also works in the front. I don't know if I showed you guys that. It works right there in the front. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the LUMDEER, smart helmet. See you all in the next video.